In this tutorial, I'm gonna be talking about how to change your Facebook name to a single name or to one name your Facebook account. So I'm going to walk you through some steps. So make sure to be keen and watch the video till the end. So the first thing, you'll have to download Facebook Lite if you don't have. Majority maybe are using Facebook normal. So you make sure to download Facebook Lite from Play Store. For me, I have the application on my phone, so I'm going to open, and this is Facebook Lite. So what you're supposed to do, you'll have to click these three dots, then locate settings, then come to personal and account information. Click on name. Okay, as you can see, I have first name and I have surname. So I'm going to edit this name to appear as one name. So before we proceed, we must I'll show you a VPN. Download a certain VPN called Touch VPN. Touch VPN from Play Store. For me, I already installed it is here. So I'm going to open. Then I am going to use a different server away from my country. So you can see here, you can click here, then you select the server from Japan. It's here. Then connect. You can see it's connecting. Just give time to connect, then we can proceed. As you can see, we are now browsing from Japan. My IP address now reads I'm in Japan, so I'm going also to copy. I'm going to copy a symbol here that we will be using. These symbols I will post there in my description, so make sure to check it. So this is my first symbol. It's here, so I'm going to copy that symbol. Then I'll also come to copy the other one. So let's proceed. Okay, sorry. Click settings, personal and account information. Then we click on name. So under my first name, I'm going to paste this symbol. Then my middle name, I'm going to paste this other symbol. Copy. So I'm going to paste this symbol. Then my surname, I'm going to edit my desired name. So I'm going to write George. You see? So I'm going to review, change. As you can see that you won't be able to change your name within the next 6 days. So if you make this change, you will be required to stay for a while until 60 days elapses so that you can change again. So I'm going to type my password. Then save. So this is how it will appear. So because you are seeing that you still see these characters here, so you click on name, then change order, then click the second one, then confirm password, then save changes. So now we can come back to our profile and see whether we've made the changes. And you can see here I have one name, that's George. Let me refresh so that those who are suspecting maybe it's not working, it's working 100%. So be sure to follow us for more and more videos that maybe it will help you become a tech wizard. See you in my next video. Peace.